Welcome to our channel. If you want to create a Slack workspace for team communication and collaboration, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete setup. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to slack.com, the official Slack website. Step 2. Click on the Get Started or Try for Free button on the homepage. Step 3. Enter your work email address to begin creating your Slack workspace. Slack will send a confirmation code to this email. Step 4. Check your email inbox for the verification code from Slack and enter it on the confirmation page. Step 5. Create a name for your workspace that represents your team or organization. Step 6. Specify what your team or group will be working on to help Slack suggest relevant features and channels. Step 7. Add your team members by entering their email addresses, or skip this step and invite them later. Step 8. Set up your personal Slack profile by adding your full name and optionally uploading a profile picture. Step 9. Complete the initial workspace setup by creating your first channels for different topics or projects. Download the Slack desktop app or use the web version to start communicating with your team immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.